adventurers. In this video, I'll discuss the best credit cards for beginners in 2022. With so many alternatives, I looked into the best cards and chose my favorite 4. You'll avoid some decision-making paralysis this way. Stepping into the world of credit cards for the first time is never easy. There are a lot of ifs and a lot of wandering around, trying to choose which one will be better to start with. You don't have to worry about this anymore. In this video, you will find out about 4 credit cards that are good for beginners. And instead of choosing between 50, you will have to choose between 4 only. Now let's hear about them, shall we? Starting at number 4, we have the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card. A competitive and lucrative choice for those with bad or restricted credit is the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card, which is the secured version of the Capital One Quicksilver Cash Rewards Credit Card. The card has no annual fees, but it does demand a $200 minimum refundable security deposit. It also offers rewards, which sets it apart from other secured credit cards. Additionally, the card can be used as a stepping stone to a conventional credit card since it reports to all 3 major credit bureaus and gives customers the option to graduate with an unsecured product. Pros: qualifying with poor or insufficient credit. Submissions to the 3 main credit bureaus. Acquires rewards. No required minimum redemption amount. Rewards are perpetual. No annual fee. On all qualified purchases, receive an unlimited 1.5% cashback reward. No foreign transaction fees. Decent startup deals. Penalty-free APR. Cons: high APR. No new cardholder bonus offer. No bonus categories. It's great for those who don't spend a lot in any one category of their budget. Favor a single rewards rate above numerous rates. People who look for a long introductory 0% APR promotion on purchases. It's not great for people who spend a lot on every category. Prefer more reward rates. Rewards: when using the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Rewards Credit Card, users can receive a fixed 1.5% cashback on all purchases and 5% cashback when they book hotels and rental cars through Capital One Travel. The Capital One Quicksilver Secured Cash Benefits Credit Card offers cashback rewards that can be redeemed at any time for any amount. Rewards are valid for the duration of the account. Earnings may be redeemed for cash, gift cards, or a bill credit to pay for recent purchases. Through CapitalOneTravel.com, you may also use your rewards to book travel. Welcome bonus: once you spend $500 on purchases within 3 months of your account activation, you'll receive a $200 cash bonus. In other words, to qualify for the reward, you would only need to spend an average of $167 per month for the first 3 months that you own the card. Even if you are not a huge spender, that pace of purchasing is doable. Annual fee: 0%. Intro APR: 0% for 15 months. Regular APR: 16.49% to 26.49% variable. Balance transfer fee: 3% of any transferred balance's total amount that posts to your account at any promotional APR they may be able to get for you. For transferred amounts at transfer APR, none. Foreign transaction fee: none. Credit score: poor, which is considered between 300 to 629. At number 3, we have Opensky Secured Visa Credit Card. The Opensky Secured Visa Credit Card is unique in that it is one of the only secured credit cards that you can be approved for without a bank account or a credit check. That makes it an excellent alternative for a particular kind of consumer. Someone trying to create or improve credit using a secured card but having trouble qualifying for one because they lack a bank account or have bad credit. The card isn't particularly unique, despite being quite simple to obtain. The card has an annual fee, which is uncommon for secured cards from large issuers. Additionally, it doesn't provide you with the option to switch to an unsecured card after several months of responsible use, so to get your security deposit back, you'll need to close the account. Pros: qualifying with poor or insufficient credit. Appear on a card with poor credit is relatively low. No need for a bank account. Reporting to each of the 3 main credit bureaus. You set your credit limit, awaiting approval. Cons: has annual fee, requires minimum deposit, no rewards, has a foreign transaction fee, can upgrade to an unsecured card in the future. It's great for people looking to start building or rebuilding their credit. It's not great for people who want to get rewards from their credit cards. People with good credit scores don't need to build or restore their credit scores. Rewards: none, but the fact that this card is a Visa means that it comes with certain additional benefits in addition, even if Capital Bank does not offer any extra perks for it. The traditional level of benefits offered by Visa includes these perks. Zero fraud protection. Any unauthorized charges made to your credit card account are not your responsibility. Enroll in Norton LifeLock's free ID Navigator identity theft protection to receive credit monitoring and help if your identity is stolen. When your car breaks down, call Visa and they'll send out roadside assistance to your area. Any services rendered by the dispatched roadside assistance provider are at your own expense. Cardholder inquiry service. Contact a Visa representative at any time with any inquiries regarding your account. Welcome bonus: none. Annual fee: $35. Intro APR: NA. Regular APR: 18.14% variable. Balance transfer fee: NA. Foreign transaction fee: 3%. Credit score: poor or average, which is considered 300 to 689. Coming in at number 2, there is the Capital One Platinum Credit Card. For people with fair credit, the Capital One Platinum Credit Card is a good choice. Additionally, there are no foreign transaction fees and a $0 yearly fee. The fact that it also allows customers to increase their credit limit after making on-time payments for as little as 6 months, however, may be its most distinctive feature for many. Average credit holders typically have smaller credit limits, so having access to a larger credit line may be advantageous for both your credit score and your finances. Pros: qualify with average credit, no annual fee, no foreign transaction fee. Increased credit lines are possible in as little as 6 months. Cons: very high variable APR, no rewards program, no welcome bonus or intro APR offer, cash advance cost of 3%, minimum $10, no one-time offer, high interest rates. It's great for people with an average credit score, people who don't particularly care about earning rewards and are more focused on building a credit score. It's not great for people who want to earn rewards, people who have excellent credit scores. Rewards: you don't have rewards, but you have additional card advantages, which are: be automatically considered for a larger credit line in as little as 6 months with automatic credit line reviews. If your card is ever lost or stolen, you are insured by $0 in fraud liability. Emergency card services: if your credit card is lost or stolen, you may be able to obtain a replacement emergency card as well as a cash advance, pending the availability of credit. If you experience identity theft, MasterCard ID Theft Protection is here to support you. Welcome bonus: none. Annual fee: 0%. Intro APR: NA. Regular APR: 27.24% variable. Balance transfer fee: There is no standard balance transfer fee for this card. Foreign transaction fee, 0%. Credit score, average, which is considered between 630 to 689. And in first place, we have Discover It Secured Credit Card. If you don't have a credit history or have low credit, the Discover It Secured Credit Card is the top-notch ally you need. It far surpasses credit builders' expectations for a secured card in many areas. With this card, you can learn when you might be able to graduate to a regular card and receive your deposit back, which is something that most of its rivals do not offer. As soon as your account has been open for 7 months, Discover will evaluate it to see if you qualify for an upgrade. Rewards are also available on the card, which secured credit cards don't typically offer, and there's no yearly charge. It needs a $200 minimum security deposit, but you may receive that money back if you switch to a standard credit card or close the account in good standing. Pros: no annual fee, reports to the 3 major credit bureaus, qualify with limited bad credit, earns rewards, new cardholder bonus offer, free FICO score access each month. Cashback match doubles cashback rewards earned at the end of the first year. Automatically converts to an unsecured card. Cons: high APR. Rewards are capped. Secured cards don't provide many of the perks that unsecured cards do. Secured cards require refundable deposits. It's great for people who need to establish or rebuild a credit score, people who frequently spend on gas and dine out, people who are currently carrying a balance on another card with a high interest rate. It's not great for people who don't drive or don't go out for dinner, people with excellent credit scores. Rewards: up to $1,000 in purchases made at petrol stations and restaurants each quarter will earn you 2% cash back with this card. All-inclusive dining businesses, cafes, cafeterias, and fast food restaurants are among the places where you can earn dining credits. You might receive incentives of up to $20 per quarter or $80 per year if the interest rate is 2%. With no cap on how much you can earn, you'll also get 1% cash back on all other transactions. Your cash back can be redeemed at the Amazon.com checkout for gift cards, statement credits, bank account deposits of cash, charitable donations, or cash back on charity organizations. No matter how you choose to redeem the benefits, they are all worth their face value. Rewards have no expiration date and can be redeemed at any time for any amount. Welcome bonus. Only available through Discover with an unlimited cashback match. After your first year, Discover will automatically match all the cash back you have earned. Both the minimum and maximum awards are unlimited, not even a dollar-for-dollar match. Annual fee, 0%. Intro APR, NA. Regular APR, 25.24% variable APR. Balance transfer fee, 3% intro balance transfer fee, up to 5% fee on future balance transfers. Foreign transaction fee, none. Credit score, poor, which is considered between 300 to 579. That wraps up what I believe are some of the best credit cards for beginners in 2022. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what you would like to see next. Happy credit building! Use them wisely. I'll see you in the next video.